guys, for today's video, pupunta po kami sa beach. Kasama natin si kuya at si pinsan ko. Pupunta kami sa beach kasi wala lang, trip lang namin. Punta na po tayo sa beach. So, let's go! So guys, nandito na po tayo sa beach. Ang ganda dito guys.
What if I told you that I've fallen and I like the way you
Naisipan namin ni Kuya na pumunta sa dulo ng beach. So tara, enjoy the view.
say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling, and I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind. I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. What if I told you that I've fallen?
So guys, nandito na tayo sa destination natin. Ang ganda dito guys, oh. Usually guys, dito kami tumatambay ni Kuya.
If I told you that I've fallen.
So guys, nag-stone skipping na po sila.
A heart-shaped arrow through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning.
So guys, pabalik na po tayo. Tara, let's go!
And pick you up when you're a mess. I hope that it won't ever stop. You know I'll be there when you call me, whether you like it or not. Without a warning, now I'm falling for this picture in my phone. But don't mind me, I'm just falling. I'll get back up on my own. Please don't say my name. Help me put out this flame. I'd rather hold on to this feeling that you don't even believe in. What if I told you that I'm falling?
Ngayon guys, magpapalamig naman kami.
If I told you that I've fallen,
Never mind, never mind, never
if I
mind.
told you that I've fallen,
Never mind, never mind.
if I told you that I've fallen,
Never mind, never mind, never mind.
you that I've fallen,
Never mind, never mind, oh never mind, oh never mind. Never mind, oh never mind.
Pauwi na po kami. So guys, dyan po nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Thank you for watching!
Never mind, I said never mind.
couldn't tell you that I've fallen.